Hi everyone, it's Arts from Mancarmy, here's Dan.
Oh, yeah.
So as you can see, we started the other wardrobe in another room. So this is a rough sketch what we're doing, if you can understand. It's those units there. Then we're building square boxes here either side with up and over units. Then we're gonna have a top with shallower units here. We're gonna have a unit here with some doors and a drawer, and then in this corner we're gonna have a desk flowing over that way, so with some shelves above. So yeah, this is the other one. It's all gonna be finished in shaker style this time, not flat, and yeah, painted outside and varnished inside. I hope you're gonna enjoy it, and I will catch up with you in the next video. Hi everyone, it's Artis from Mancarmy, here's Dan as well.
Oh, yeah.
So a bit of change of plan. If you remember, originally we were gonna have some like units above, and then like a square boxing in either side was the desk continuing through. But now decision's been made, because it would be a bit too much in a room. A decision's made to just make good this wall. So we're gonna dot and dab it, straighten it up a bit, and then maybe have some floating shelves, just decorative ones really, and then desk area will stay pretty much as it was. Just gonna stop on that corner. So here we're putting false backs in MDF so we can have sockets fitted, same on this side, and also that will act as support for the top, because we don't want fixings in there, so it's like, you know, as open as possible for leg room and stuff. So we're gonna have a wardrobe which will turn in with like a turn, and we try to do it in one, which slightly sort of it works, but we're gonna have to add on a bit here, but then we're gonna round a groove, like a detail in it to hide the joint. We'll dial it and PVA it, so that hopefully should be fine. And yeah, that's where we are at the moment.